Friends, today we'll see the stretch command. So let's start. Suppose I'm drawing a line of 1000 mm, right? Escape. Now if I want to stretch this line by 50 mm, let's check the dimension first. It shows 1000 mm, right? Now I'll delete this. Now let's stretch this line. Select S, enter. Now stretch in the direction you want to stretch, right? Let's say 50 mm, enter. Now let's check the dimension again. Linear, first point, second point. You can see it's 1050 now. So this is the stretch command. Let's stretch in rectangle. REC, enter. Suppose this is the rectangle you want to stretch. Press S, enter. Select the area, enter again. Now stretch in the direction you want to stretch, right? You can mention the distance you want to stretch, or I'm keeping it this simple, right? Now let's draw a circle. Now S, enter, enter. You cannot stretch the circle, right? Because if you stretch a circle, it won't be a circle anymore, right? So this was just to show you. Now I would also like to mention another method to draw the rectangle, which I did not mention in the previous videos, as this is not a command shown in the video. This is just a shortcut. So let's start. REC, enter. Specify the first corner. Now press at the rate. Give your dimensions. Let's say 250, 150. Enter. You can see the rectangle is drawn. You can check the dimensions. Linear, first and second, 250 as you mentioned. Second, 150, right? So you can directly draw the rectangle by using at the rate and the two dimensions, right? Now again I can show you how this can be stretched. Select S, enter. The dimension will also be stretched, right? Escape. Now I'll show you how to stretch a beam. If you are a civil engineering student, this will be the typical section of a beam, which you will see further. If you want to increase the depth of this beam, you have to select from the center of the beam, right? So I'll select, zoom to make it sure that you are selecting the proper area. Whole upper portion has been selected. Now S, enter. Now click and stretch, right? You can mention the distance you want to stretch. Let's say 100, enter. You can see the beam depth has been increased. This is the way you can stretch it vertically, or let's say you want to stretch it horizontally. I can go and select. Don't select any bars that are ending, right? It will be stretched throughout. Just select the bars that are fully in the window. No half bars can be selected. Select S, enter, stretch, right? You can see the distance has been stretched. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.